Hey guys, so we're gonna put in some more changes as the team lineups have been announced for the first match. So as we can see, we have two players of the original team who are not playing, but as we have all our substitution in track, so we're just gonna go ahead and do them. So Darren Bravo is not playing in the CSK team, so we're just gonna take him out and also gonna take out Imran Tahir. So we've now got our two of our players. We've got two overseas players and 18.5 credits to kind of like put in. Let me just select the next few matches that we have to see what kind of a team we can put out. So guys, do subscribe to our channel and do let us know how you're building up your fantasy team. One of the questions that I was thinking was whether I should have just built a team with this first two teams and then kind of like just change the players as they have got along. That's one idea I'm getting right now, but something that I didn't do. Secondly, François Duplessis and Ambati Raidu should have been in the team. Really, in hindsight, I do feel these two should have made the team. And I think when I'm going to be selecting them from the upcoming batches, I'm definitely going to be having one of them in that team. Let's see who we kind of like select out before we kind of like go. Kieran Pollard is someone who I've always admired, gets Mumbai out of a lot of tough situations, but again he doesn't fire that well. Saurabh Tiwari would have been a good option to pick up here, but obviously I didn't. So let's see. I mean, few of the bowlers. Whom do we go? So we've still got 10 credits left for us to kind of like select a bowler. Kind of like have been getting confused about whom to select and how to make this team. And as you know, we've been trying to go over Rashid Khan for some time. So Rashid Khan it is. Let's select him and get it going along. What's the team that we have for right now? And select it out. Ronald Pandya, obviously the captain here. Just let's select a vice captain and let's get it going. Shane Watson, the vice captain. Definitely going to be making some changes the next time CSK plays. Would really love having somebody like Ambati Raidu in there. Jadeja did do well, so that's okay for us. And we're done. So this is today. We've got the next match with Delhi Capitals versus Kings 11. We scored 245 points yesterday. The ranks, nothing to speak home about. These are the points that we got yesterday and something that we would like to increase today. So let's see who we've got and what we can do with the team and what are the changes that we can make up. Obviously, I've been very confused about whom to pick up, what kind of bowlers to pick up. So, in the comments, guys, do let us know what are the different type of players that you'd like us to pick up. Put in our team, and what are the players that you are actually putting in your team to make it better, and what are you ranking. So, I'm going to be taking out Bumrah. I was actually looking to take on Mujibur Rahman, but somehow it isn't activating because I think I still have 4 overseas players on. So I have to take care of that first and then plan it along. So in the batsman, seriously going to be taking out Shane Watson because he is not going to be featuring for the next one. I'm going to feature someone else from CSK the next time the thing comes around. We've got some points, so we've got 2 players and 10.5 credits left. What I really want is to have KL Rahul because I mean this guy is just amazing. I really want to have KL Rahul in the team and probably someone else. Let's see. I think we can take Mujib now. And we also took out someone else, so we can go back and take in Chris Gale, I guess. So you've got the top order from both the teams in our team, but let's see how it kind of like performs. It can be such that it might not actually go along. I'm just previewing the screen and I'll select the team when the team lineups are decided.